This video shows some ways we can use retrieval practice to build long-term memory. This lesson starts with Casey asking his students to review the 4 different hair types.
Which hair type is this?
I want to say the obvious since it's so short.
So, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4.
One.
So yeah, so type 1. It is short hair, yeah. But type 1 hair, so type 1 being...
Straight.
Straight, yeah. Type 2 being... Wavy.
Everyone's answering out loud here. The most recent research tells us that covert retrieval, saying the answer in your head, is good, but overt retrieval, saying it out loud to a classmate or to your teacher, is better. So you'll notice here that students are answering out loud, they're doing overt retrieval, and that's really good. And you'll also notice that everyone in the class answers a question, so you might describe this as universal overt retrieval.